I've started removing the interior in anticipation of laying the cable harnesses for the front two electric seats. While I was in the process, I thought I'd start a fun little project of cleaning up this center console. To my surprise, it's actually in pretty good condition and wasn't too hard to clean up. There are a few coffee and coke stains down the side, which you'll see shortly. Removal's pretty easy anyway. Just follow your nose. I didn't remove the side carpets, you don't have to. As you can see here, there are quite a few stains from spilled drinks and whatnot over the past 27 years. This is to be expected. You can clean this in place, but it's coming out anyway, so I might as well do it properly. This is what I used to clean it, nothing fancy. The reason I did it in the bathtub was just so I wouldn't make a mess everywhere else in my house. Under no circumstances should you submerge it in water because it's got a spongy layer underneath that vinyl and you don't really want to get that saturated with water. This is what it looked like after cleaning. It came up pretty good, but I wanted to put some protectant on it and you'll see that shortly. This is what I use for interior parts and also the black strips on the bumpers. It does a very good job. And this console is basically looking like brand new now. I'm very happy with the way it came out. It's actually better than the one in the other car.